In this tutorial, we're going to quickly learn how to use GoalSeek. In Excel, GoalSeek is a capability that you can access from the Data tab under the What If Analysis capability. You use GoalSeek when you know the result you want from a formula, but you're not sure what the input value the formula needs to get to that result. So in the case of my example here, I'd like to borrow $100,000. I want to pay it off in 180 months. And I know that I can afford a monthly payment of $900. So I could guess, for instance, various interest rates like 1.5, which will give me a $620.74 payment. I can guess 2.5. I can guess 3.5. This is going to take me some significant amount of time in guessing to actually figure out what the ideal interest rate is that I need to target to get to a monthly payment of $900. So in this case, with my example, I can use the what if analysis, go up to GoalSeek, and what I'm going to do is my target cell here is my monthly payment. Okay, I want to set that monthly payment to 900, but in this case it's a negative. It's the amount that I'm going to pay, and I'm going to do a negative 900, and I'm going to determine that by changing the cell B4, which is my interest rate, and I'm going to hit OK. This will run a GoalSeek, and we'll figure out that 7.02% is my interest rate that I need to get to stay within a $900 payment. So if I find an interest rate that's better than 7.02% on the $100,000 I wish to borrow for 180 months, then I will be in good shape and I'll be able to afford the loan. This concludes the brief tutorial using GoalSeek. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to throw them in the comments. You could reach out to me directly if you choose at professorwolfe.com. And I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.